Benson Boone made a crumble cookie. Some people love it, some people hate it. Kind of like Benson Boone himself. Let's find out the truth. This is a chocolate cookies and cream cookie with a fruity marshmallow topping. Honestly, the taste is pretty mild. It's nothing crazy or outstanding in either direction. It's like a 6.5 out of 10. But I think we can make it even better. Got some fresh berries and Oreo. This is now officially the Benson Boone plus Sarah Jean Eats cookie. This is mystical and magical. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And of course, remember to be mystical and magical today. I'm cringing at myself so hard. Okay, bye.